The root of suffering is attachment. These words of Siddhartha Gautama encapsulate a profound journey from desire to enlightenment. In ancient India, a young prince lived a life of luxury, shielded from the harsh realities beyond his palace. Yet, a longing for deeper truth stirred within him. Born into privilege, Siddhartha was groomed to be a king, but a fateful day marked the beginning of his transformation. Venturing outside his palace, he witnessed an aged man, a sick person, and a corpse. Each vision struck him deeply, urging him to unravel the meaning of life and suffering. The seeds of change took root as he grappled with the painful realization that life is fraught with suffering. This universal truth beckoned him. Siddhartha made a momentous decision to renounce his princely life, stepping into the unknown to seek a path that transcended worldly desires. This departure was a courageous leap into self-discovery. He embraced asceticism, surrendering sensory pleasures in his quest for enlightenment. He subjected himself to extreme deprivation but learned that neither indulgence nor deprivation leads to truth. True liberation lies in understanding and compassion. Siddhartha joined 5 devoted practitioners, all relentless in their pursuit of enlightenment. They shared rigorous meditation and severe fasting, yet he felt emptiness within. Their struggles highlighted a critical realization: the extremes of asceticism were not leading him closer to understanding suffering. One evening, Siddhartha sat in despair, contemplating his past joys within the palace. He realized that enlightenment did not lie in self-inflicted pain or total abandonment of pleasure, but in embracing life's complexities. This epiphany was pivotal, a turning point in his journey. Revitalized, Siddhartha plunged into the river Niranjana, washing away despair and the remnants of asceticism. Emerging, he decided to leave his companions, understanding that his path was uniquely his own. In a humble village, a kind woman named Sujata offered him food, connecting him to the essence of humanity. He understood that the path to enlightenment encompasses the richness of human experiences: joy, pain, love, and compassion. Siddhartha resolved to sit beneath the sacred Bodhi tree until he attained enlightenment. Under the tree, he battled the forces of Mara, the embodiment of desire and temptation. Instead of resisting, he acknowledged his distractions with acceptance, dissolving their power. In a moment of confrontation, Siddhartha touched the earth, calling upon it as a witness to his truth. The earth trembled in recognition, affirming his resolve. With that, the illusion of Mara faded, leading to a profound realization: the essence of life is interconnectedness, and suffering is universal. Enlightenment dawned as Siddhartha Gautama became the Buddha, the awakened one, ready to share his insights. With compassion and wisdom, the Buddha understood his mission to guide others from suffering. He sought out the 5 ascetics who had once joined him, sharing the path he discovered. He taught the 4 noble truths, awakening them to the nature of suffering and the way to transcend it. His teachings took root, illuminating the path for countless souls. As the years passed, Siddhartha's teachings spread, leaving a legacy that endures today. His insights on suffering and enlightenment resonate deeply, serving as reminders that self-discovery binds humanity together. Buddhism, at its core, is a way of life encouraging exploration of our existence and the interconnectedness of all life. As we conclude this exploration of Siddhartha Gautama's journey, we invite reflection on your own desires and how to cultivate compassion. In quiet moments, may you discover your truth, aspiring to attain your own form of enlightenment.